Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Nifty and today I have a video for my viewers. So for those of you who are always trading in Banknifty, and we are very close to the election results announcement, and we are on 2nd of June, so another 2 days time to go, and we'll have some announcement come up. So I have made some revelations over here for people who have been closely watching Banknifty, and if you wish to follow charts only and don't want to go for any kind of a speculative kind of a trade, then this is the best way to go. Here again, I'm not asking anybody to follow this method compulsively and do any kind of trading or take a trade or short the market or go long basis. What I'm talking over here, this is purely for an educational purpose, and please keep speculation out of your trading game for the next 3 or 4 days, that is at least till 6th of June. That would be my recommendation. That is the best recommendation that I could give to anybody who's been watching my YouTube channel. So the markings that I have are from here, that is 29th of February, where we saw the very first rally, and then this was a rally I'm talking about. This was very first rally that we saw, and now we have seen first, second, third rally and the fourth rally. So here we kind of saw a topping formation which is at the 49,600 49,650 level, where we saw multiple tops being formed. So there was one top which formed over here, and it peaked out around 30th of April, second time again 3rd of May, then third time again on 27th of May. So we saw kind of topping out range happening around 49 600 level, and below that this is a level which I have marked where it comes multiple times. So I have written over here bullish above 49 300. That is my marking which I follow personally for any trade that I take. So if I have to take a bank nifty trade, it will be bullish above 49 300 for me. The pattern that we are seeing over here is clearly in uptrend. So this uptrend is also like an uptrend which is from month of February. We are seeing a perfect uh, kind of a synchronous and in a range kind of a pattern. So this current scenario, if we see only if we look at the month of May and June, so what we have seen over here is that there was a breakout above the range of 48 130 48 140. So this is the range and level I am talking about, and I'm referring to this chart which is an hourly chart. So whatever you are seeing over here, if you are following chart pattern, please follow a hourly chart pattern for bank nifty trading. Small time 15-minute charts do not really work, and they don't work for me, and I don't recommend this to anybody to take a 15-minute view until and unless you're just taking a very short trade. So now what can possibly happen, keeping all the news aside, what will happen, who wins in the election, I don't give any importance to anything. All I give importance to is the level. If the level breaks, then it will fall. So for me it is very clear that below a certain level there will be a clear cut fall, and it has always happened and it will happen again and again, and over time I have seen that happen for multiple times. So this time I have marked a certain level. So what is the first level of support that you should be watching? 48 550. I have clearly marked over here 48 550 on my charts for bank nifty. If this level breaks, then definitely it's going down towards a level 2 support, which is 47 700. This is what you should be watching for in the next few days, where there will be very high volatility. If at all there is any kind of an election news and it has an impact on the market, I am not saying there will be any impact on the market. I am saying if there is an impact on the market and if there are very wild moves, then you have to watch whether 48 550 is breaking or not. 48 550 breaks, 47 700 will come, and if 49 300 breaks, then again it will try and retest the 49 700 zone, and that will be the third attempt for Bank Nifty to retest this zone. Above 49,600 it will get bullish, and there could be a 2000 point rally straight upwards. That is what I see, or a 2000 point fall if the support 2 breaks. This is my clear cut idea. So if 47,700 breaks, 45,700 is the support number 3 which I have marked over here, that is connected to this line which we saw the bottom that happened on 29th of Feb 2024. With that I have connected this arrow which I have marked. So it is very clear cut, kind of very clear cut marking. There is no speculation over here, there is no judgmental kind of or any kind of कि ऐसा लगता है, ऐसा हो सकता है types conversation. No, it's very clear cut, straightforward. गिरेगा तो it will fall over here straight in this direction, and it will fall below 47,700 if it stays below an hour, 2 hour, 3 hour kind of a range. Then it has a full capacity to come down all the way, so it can try and come and retest this level of 46,400, 46,300, and below that 45,700 is a clear cut support zone, which is support number 3. So this is how the whole correction pattern can happen if you see a correction happen. So if it falls, it has to fall somewhere till here, that is 46,400. that is where for under 47,700 it has to fall somewhere and come near 46,400 level, and below that if it falls and the fall extends, then it will come and fall straight till here. This is what I see in the chart pattern that I have over here in my Bank Nifty outlook. There is no speculation that I recommend to anybody basis election results, that okay, if this particular government comes, then what will happen if that particular government comes. No, not at all. I do not recommend anybody is doing sensible trading to go as per this method. My method is very clear cut. For Bank Nifty, one level is broken, meaning the next level is what you should be watching out for. Under 47,700, that is a support. If it starts breaking and comes with a 47,400 level, it will happen in another 3-4 minutes only. If this has to break, this will break in 3-4-5 minutes only. It will not take too much of a time if this level breaks. So 48,550 breaks, will not take too much of a time to reach 48,160. 48,160 has been the mid level which has been retested multiple number of times, and I am assuming that there can be a retest of this level again around 48,150, 48,160. Then the next level that will be retested, that is 47,700, and under that once it breaks, it will come somewhere and come near 46,600 to 46,300. 300 point range which I see will come anytime if there is a kind of a negative impact in the market scene after the election result. And if it has to crazily fall, then it can fall up to 45,700. This is my outlook for people who are curious about what will happen to Bank Nifty. And I thank you very much for watching my video. And if you are someone who wants to really be thankful for any kind of understanding or a learning that you get from my videos, then I request you to please hit the subscribe button, hit the like on this video, and please share this video with people whom you think will benefit. People who are mostly trading in a speculative mode, or are only trading that okay basis news, they never make any kind of money, they only lose money. They are out here to lose money, because only if those people lose money, people who sensibly trade are going to make money. So this is how I see the markets. So even my advice to all the people around who are trading in this market is to stay away from news, stay away from speculative trades. Only go as per the levels. Always have a marking on your chart, and when the level in your chart is saying that okay, this level has been tested multiple times, as for this time what I see is that okay, I have kept this much of a buffer, that if this level breaks, even if 47,900 breaks, I have kept a buffer till 47,700, another 250 point buffer. If this breaks, comes, stops over here, and kind of takes a support and then retraces back, it's quite possible that can happen. But if it doesn't, then we are here to see a major kind of a correction, and that major correction can come to the level which I showed you over here, that is 46,300, 400 zone, and the next support zone is 45,700. Please mark these things on your trading charts, and let's see how the week pans out in the coming 5 to 6 trading days. And after that I will kind of make my next update video. So looking forward to see some likes and views on my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Nifty.